In this video, I'm going to show you how to close a Google Cloud billing account. First, open up your desired browser. Search for Google Cloud in the search bar. Left-click the first link. Now, log into your Google Cloud account. In your Google Cloud homepage, left-click the navigation menu button located on the top left side of the page. In the navigation bar, you will see a number of options. Scroll down and left-click on Billing option. Now, on the Billing page, scroll down the navigation bar and left-click Payment Methods. Here, you can click Remove on the primary billing method and remove it. But you will have to add another payment method. But to remove the billing account without adding another payment method, click on Account Management from the navigation bar. Now, left-click the Close Billing Account option on top of the page. Type Close in the menu and click Close Billing Account.